Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Roblox Executor using WINFORMS. Alright, to get started, you're going to want to download Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. You're going to click Create a New Project, Windows Forms Application, .NET Framework. Very important, you choose the .NET Framework and not the one without it. Name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Tutorial. Alright, when you get in, you're going to customize the UI a little bit. We're going to set the form border style to none, so we just remove the corners. Then we're going to go into Tools, New Package Manager, New Package. Where's the solution? Yep. Go to newtonsoft.json. First thing we're going to install. Then we're going to install Gunna 2 for the UI. That's going to be about it for the nugget. Alright, now you're going to go to my Discord server, link in the description. And you're going to go into Advanced Roblox Executor Forms app. I'm going to download both of these files. Now I already have them on my desktop, so I'm just going to open this. Now I'm going to take the Ecstacy API, go to our references, add reference, browse, and I'm going to go to my desktop tutorial, Ecstacy API. Open that. Now you're gonna go into your first we're gonna rename the form to executor. Keep in mind, if you do this later, it might cause some errors, so I'd recommend doing it right away. Now change the text to executor or whatever the name of your executor is. Then we're gonna go into the script of the executor. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna start using Ecstacy API. Alright. Open your toolbox. I'm gonna to button. Button. Change the background color of the form to whatever you like. Pretty dark color, I recommend. Now we're gonna start with the buttons. Just make the text to be none. Find the size and make it 50-50. Set the border radius to 15. And then set the fill color to your background color is what I'd recommend. So it's just transparent. Find image. Wherever that is. Okay, there we go. Image, import, and then go find yourself some images online. I'm gonna do that right now. Go to Google Icons. Here's where you can get all your icons. I already have some downloaded, so I'm not gonna do that, but this is where you'll find all your icons. Alright, I've imported all the icons I want. This is the ones that are gonna be easy. The box is gonna be my import or execute. Sorry. So 30-30. Alright, now I'm gonna copy paste this one around a little bit, so you get a couple buttons for like injection and shit. Actually, we're just gonna leave that one. Alright. Just change the icons of the buttons to whatever you want. And then set the names to whatever they're for to just organize it a little. Double click on your inject button, and then you're gonna type ecstasy API injector inject. And you can click on your execute button. We're gonna do that one later. Actually, go into your exit button, and you're gonna type application.exit. Alright, now you're gonna go back to the file you downloaded from my Discord server. You're gonna see this advanced Monaco. You want to extract this. Then you can see advanced Monaco, open scripts. And then you're gonna wanna grab this part, initialize async. Put this somewhere around here. Go into here, type initialize async. Now we're gonna go back into our NuGet package manager. And we forgot to install WebView 2. Microsoft Web V2. Install that. But I just had to restart because they weren't loading. Go into here, search for web, and it will come up with Web V2. Put that in here, resize it to wherever you want your editor to be. I'd make it pretty big if I was you. This is where all your text is going to be. That should be good. Rename it to editor. Just exactly like this with the capital E. Very important. Now you can just go out of that and we're going to go back into our code. You should. I'm back. Just go into your tutorial place. Now I apologize for this. Grab the one that you installed. This one. Extract that one. Open advanced Monaco, scripts. Paste this into here. Then we're gonna have to type async in front of this to make it an asynchronous function. And then you should have no errors. Ah, sorry, put this in the wrong place. And put in the execute button. Could make that async instead. Sorry. Alright, now make sure that you put the Monaco. Actually, we can just set the CPU to x64, just follow whatever I did. Click build. Copy this path right here, except the last part where it says .exe. Put it in here, and then go into advanced Monaco. And drag the Monaco into here. And then try and open this and see if it works. So here, I have the tab system, whatever. Works very well. Last thing we're gonna do is go into our design. We're gonna add a ellipse to give it a little corner on the frame. Set the target frame to executor, whatever you named your frame. Border radius 15, and we're gonna add a drag control. Set the target control to executor again, and transparent while drag to false. Now if you run this, it should load. Everything should work. Now let's go into game and try it out. So now we're in game. I'm going to click F9, click inject. Should close your console. That means that it worked. If you look bottom left, it says Ecstacy. Thanks you for using the Ecstacy API. Now if we type print, something like that, it's going to say hey. Print identity, level 3, everything works. We will do an unc test. We'll go back in game, execute this. Just close out of this. Alright. So as you can see right here, has 94% unc. Now this is fake unc, so it won't work for every script. At least I'm pretty sure it's fake unc. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, go to my Discord, link in the description. We have a very good support team and everything. Thank you.